We know time is running. We need solutions ready to use on a large scale. We have to think big. Alkaline water electrolysis provides the necessary big scale, already today, is reliable and safe to run. We use and advance this proven technology to shape a new energy age. Long-standing know-how and expertise provide high efficiency and proven quality, sustainability with highly durable and long-life cells, full-service solutions from a single source, and the passion to improve and innovate. We combine about 300 high-efficiency cells into one powerful unit. Scalum, a standardized modular solution that can be scaled up row by row. We ramp up our capacity day by day, together with partners, as a driving force. We think, we act, and we walk ahead. Who we are? thyssenkrupp, nucera. We shape the new era.